In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to position widgets on the window correctly and in the location that we want them to be. So, for example, here, if I run again my application, as you can see now, the email label, and then the field, and then the password label, and then the field. So it's kind of they are positioned depending on the which pack method was called before. So if you call the email label first, if you call the pack method on the email label first, it comes first on the screen, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, the last widget was the cancel button, and the reason is that is because the pack method was called in the last line of codes here when we call the pack methods. Now let's fix this. So what I want to do is to create something like that: the email or the username, and then on the right side the field, and then the password, and on the right side the field for the password. So to do that, we need to fix the pack method. Actually, the pack method takes two parameters. The first one is called the site, and you just type the site and then equals to the site where you want the element to be. So I want the email label to be on the left of the screen. So I'm gonna type left, and the second parameter is called the fill, and the fill actually makes you fill the widget vertically or horizontally. So for example, if I want the email label to take the complete screen, I would type Y. I would type X. And if I wanted to take the complete if I wanted to take the screen vertically, I would type Y. So I would type fill equals to X or Y. So let's test and see before we go further. Actually, this one should be capital. This one should be capital X. Save and run. And as you can see now, the email label takes the complete screen horizontally, but you can't see that because the background is white, but it does actually. But I don't want that actually. What I want is just to set it on the left of the screen, and then I want the field to be on the right. I could just type left again, and it's gonna be to the right of the email, or if I type right, it's gonna be close to the end of the window from the right side. So both would work for me. I could just type side equals to left again and save, and let's run. And as you can see, again, the field is on the right of the label, the email label, and it's correct. This is actually what we want, and I should do the same for the password and the field.